Welcome to our GPU comparison video, where we take a closer look at two graphics cards from different NVIDIA generations. The MSI Gaming GeForce RTX 3060 and the GIGABYTE GeForce RTX 5060 Ti. In this video, we will explore their performance, memory specifications, and cooling efficiency to help you decide which GPU is the best fit for your gaming needs in 2025. Let's dive in. When it comes to performance, the MSI Gaming GeForce RTX 3060 excels in 1080p gaming, providing a solid experience for budget-conscious gamers. However, the GIGABYTE GeForce RTX 5060 Ti, with its advanced Blackwell architecture, offers a significant performance uplift, making it ideal for serious 1440p gaming. The 5060 Ti's higher clock speeds and improved efficiency ensure that it can handle the latest titles with ease, while the 3060 remains a reliable choice for those looking to enjoy modern games without breaking the bank. In terms of memory, the MSI RTX 3060 comes equipped with 12 GB of GDDR6 memory, which provides excellent longevity for gaming at 1080p and even entry-level 1440p. On the other hand, the GIGABYTE RTX 5060 Ti features a cutting-edge 16 GB of GDDR7 memory, which, despite its narrower 128-bit bus, offers significantly higher effective speeds. This allows the 5060 Ti to handle texture-heavy games more efficiently, ensuring a smoother gaming experience in the long run. Cooling is crucial for maintaining performance during intense gaming sessions. The MSI Gaming GeForce RTX 3060 utilizes the Ventus 2X cooling system, which is compact and efficient, but may run slightly hotter under heavy loads. In contrast, the GIGABYTE GeForce RTX 5060 Ti employs the WindForce cooling system, designed for optimal airflow and heat dissipation. This advanced cooling solution ensures that the 5060 Ti remains cool and quiet, even during demanding gameplay. In conclusion, both the MSI Gaming GeForce RTX 3060 and the GIGABYTE GeForce RTX 5060 Ti have their strengths. The 3060 is a fantastic choice for budget gamers focused on 1080p, while the 5060 Ti offers superior performance for those looking to game at 1440p and beyond. Ultimately, your choice will depend on your gaming needs and budget. If you found this comparison helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more content.